If you've ever wanted to share a document directly on your Squarespace website, maybe a downloadable guide, a pricing sheet, or a digital portfolio, this quick tutorial is going to make your life so much easier. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to embed a PDF on your Squarespace site, step by step, so your visitors can view or download it effortlessly. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. Open your browser, head to the Squarespace login page, and click Login. For most people, the fastest route is to click Continue with Google. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. Next, select the website where you want to embed your PDF. This will open up your main site editor, the place where all your customization happens. Now, click Edit in the top left corner to enter editing mode. From here, navigate to the exact section or page where you'd like your PDF link to appear, maybe in a blog post, a resources page, or your homepage. Once you're in that spot, add or click on a text block. This is where we'll insert the clickable link to your PDF. Highlight the text you want to use as your link, something like download my guide or view full brochure. Now look for the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click on it, and in the link settings, open the file option from the drop-down menu. Instead of pasting a URL, this is where you'll upload your PDF directly from your computer. After selecting your file, Squarespace will automatically upload and link it for you. Once the upload is done, click Apply, and your text instantly becomes a clickable link that opens or downloads the PDF for your visitors. Before you leave, don't forget to save your changes. Click Done arrow Save to make sure everything stays exactly as you've set it. And that's it. You've just embedded a PDF in Squarespace in only a few steps. It's clean, professional, and a great way to share resources right from your site without sending visitors elsewhere. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, website hacks, and easy design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy website crafting.